Let me ask you something that might sound strange at first. What if the next 30 days could completely change how smart, focused, and disciplined you become as a student? Most students believe success happens during exams, but the truth is that exams only reveal what someone did in the weeks before them. And that means the real winners are built during what I call the off-season. So if you use the next 30 days in a different way than most students do, you won't just improve your grades, you will actually become the type of student who finds studying easier. And the way you do that is by changing three things: your environment, your study system, and the way you see yourself. First, we change your environment. For 7 days, you're not going to study at all. Instead, you will reclaim your focus by decluttering your digital and physical worlds. Your brain has been overstimulated, and this week is about creating quiet. Start with your phone. Turn off every notification that isn't from a real person. Then, move all your social media and entertainment apps off your home screen and into a folder on the last page. Next, address your physical space. Your desk has one purpose now: deep work. Clear everything off it that doesn't serve that mission. With a clear mind and a clear space, it's time to build your system. For the next 13 days, you will commit to 2 hours of focused work each day, no phone in sight. And your new system is built on 2 pillars of active learning: active recall and spaced repetition. Active recall means pulling information out of your memory, not just putting it in. The best way to practice this is with the Feynman technique. After you learn a concept, close the book and explain it out loud as if you were teaching a child. Spaced repetition is how you make that information stick. In the final phase, you integrate these habits until they feel automatic. Treat your 2-hour study block like an unbreakable appointment and change your internal language. Stop saying "I'm trying to study" and start telling yourself "I am a disciplined person." Then, spend 30 minutes each day previewing your upcoming courses. After 30 days, you haven't just completed a challenge, you've installed a new operating system for your mind. To make this process easier, I've created a free 30-day checklist that breaks down every step. The link is in the description.